Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Allthings Nicky. Thank you for tuning in. So if you are new, hi, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to join my family by subscribing down below. So today's tutorial, I'll be trying out Mihlali makeup tutorial. She's one of the biggest YouTubers in SA. So yeah, let's get into it. This is the look I'll be trying out. Please comment down below and tell me what you guys think about my look. Starting things off with priming my eyelids with Glam Pro Conceal on the shade Fawn. By the way, I did my foundation and eyebrows off cam. Excuse my background, I was using natural light. For the eye look, she started using this series pink eyeshadow. She packs the eyeshadow into the crease, then blends it out to the rest of the eyelid.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love.
For cutting the crease, she uses a flat brush and the concealer, same concealer I used to prime my lip.
I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you. Seeing eyes of mine.
This is the technique I use when cutting my crease. I first apply the concealer at the bottom of my crease, then widely open my eyes so that the lower part can smash the upper part. From there, I join the rest. I hope it makes using a flat fluffy eyeshadow brush, tapping it on this whitish pinkish color, eyeshadow color.
Change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, love, love.
I had to intensify that serious pink. It was not giving me the vibe that I wanted.
But I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my
To highlight my under eyes, I used LA Girl Pro Conceal on the shade Fawn. To set my concealer, I use Revlon photoready candid antipolution setting powder on the shade 001. I like using a damp sponge, usually the one that I used to blend my concealer. To contour my nose, I'm using pressed powder on the shade Mahogany from Smudge.
Eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow?
To contour my cheeks, I'm using the same pressed powder that I used to contour my nose.
I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But we'll change it, change it.
I'm reverse contouring with a powder that is close to my skin tone, just to have a sharper contour.
I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll try and to change it.
For highlighting, I'm using Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder, the bridge of my nose and my cheeks.
Seeing eyes loved by you. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong.
To blend the cut crease and the cerise pink, I'm using this purple on my outer eye. On the outer eye.
We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong.
For lips, I'm using a dark brown lipstick from Cosmetics on the shade 1285. I then go into the center of my lips with the concealer, the same concealer that I used to conceal my under eye.
I would like to tell you my
Can we please take a moment and appreciate my highlight? It's popping. I then go in with my Essence lip gloss on the shade DHAB. It's a DHAB. To set all those powders down, I'm using matte fixing spray from Smudge. From here I applied my lashes off cam.